Hello guys and welcome back. It has been a while since the last video and the snow has melted in Finland and we are now ready to start with the project. As you can see, the interior is still very fabulous. It's pretty much okay, but we will make some changes. So today's mission is to take everything out and yeah, we'll start about there. And if we have enough time we will move to the engine compartment. But interior first. Right.
Yeah.
Me ehkä vaan toivomme.
Next we shall remove all the cabling from the outside and all the lights and such.
Yeah, the inside took us about 30 minutes, so it wasn't too bad.
Everything to the fuck.
Yeah, didn't take too long, like roughly an hour.
Yeah. Now it's just final cleaning and getting some water from the floor because it has leaked a bit in the rain.
Yeah, should be drivable after that.
Yes.
Okay, so we took all of these spare parts out today. Let's see how much will be reused. Probably some wires and stuff. This definitely not. And now it's pretty clean inside. Next up will be lamination work. No, before that you need to take the engine out and bring the new engine here, and after that lamination inside, then some paint job and stuff. But more on that on the next episode.
Nostetaan vaan. Jos siitä on jotain hyötyä adaptointi. Today was acquired transmission, because when we were getting the motor we took the transmission out. Now we acquired basically the same transmission. But the guys who sold the motor wanted to keep their transmission because they had made some repairs and renewal to it. And this is old shitty one, and we only take a piece to hold the starter motor. And now we also have the intercooler for the turbo. And additionally also throttle pedal fly-by-wire was acquired.
Nice pile of stuff. And roof hatch. Very important.